I got a GE Profile dryer here that I had stopped working on me at the beginning of the week. I already took it apart, put it back together. But what was going on was I came down here, set all the stuff up, push start, and it just went and nothing worked. So I ripped it down, looked on YouTube, didn't find anything that helped in this particular case. This is the model number and serial number and all that, if you have the similar one. But whatever you do, don't go and just buy parts or take parts out. What I did was I took the thing down, I cleaned up all the lint out of the back of the heating element here. There was actually a bunch in here. There was stuff down in the lint catcher, in the tube. And I usually keep it pretty clean, but in this case, over time things get stuck and, you don't get all the little nooks and crannies. Every once in a while I'll get in the back, pull it out, and I'll jam the vacuum cleaner hose down the lint output out of the back and clean it up, but that didn't help either. So I took it all apart, and I thought it was a switch, the shut-off switch for the belt. When the belt breaks, the thing will automatically shut off and won't run. But that was not the case either. I took it down and tested it. Didn't come up bad, so I put it back together, and this is what happened. So I got it all set up, and it works fine. Didn't have to spend a dime on it. So before you go and spend any money on this particular dryer, clean out the lint around the motor, around the fan, around the back of the heating element, out of the lint trap, everywhere you can think of before spending any money or before even taking it down and having somebody else work on it or anything. This is something you can do yourself. It's kind of a more complex job, but if you're mechanically inclined, you can do it. So hope this helps. This is once again a GE Profile dryer. Take care and have a good day.